Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today's special tutorial, you can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a virtual credit card, so a virtual Visa card for free. These free Visa cards are completely legit. These are codes that you can redeem in any Visa accepted checkout, and it's going to act as if you've got a $250 balance on a virtual card. Like I said, this is going to give you a card code, and you can simply enter it into a checkout and get a ton of free stuff. So this is going to give you $250, or whatever that is, the equivalent in your local currency. So you can hear I'm in the UK, so for me that's around 200 Great British pounds. I've used this method multiple times and gotten tons of free stuff from it. So yeah, I thought, why don't I show it to you guys and run you through these steps. So let me get into the tutorial. You can see here, guys, you need to use your mobile phone. So use your mobile, and you need to go to this completely legit website. So type it exactly how I'm going to be typing it here. Let me go to the search bar, www.speedycoupons.com. So Speedy Coupons, you need to find this website here. Now, you can probably already see this website is basically a coupon codes website. They usually only sort of have games and coupons codes, but I've actually managed to find a free Visa gift card page. So if you go to the search and type in Visa, you're going to see this pop up, Visa Money gift card codes. So it's exactly what it says on the tin, guys. Click on that. And you can see here, guys, there is actually a couple of different codes to choose. There is a $250 free Visa account gift card code. So like I said, this is pretty much a virtual credit card code that's going to give you $250. So it's a prepaid code. And there is also a 50% off any Visa accepted checkout. Essentially, you can enter the code and get a 50% off discount on any Visa accepted checkout. So you just have to choose which one you want. I always choose the free Visa Money one, but you can choose the other one if you wish, and it's going to save you more money. It's up to you. So basically, guys, you need to click on Show Coupon, and you can see here it's given us a start of the code here. It says Visa, and then there is some stars after it. As you can see, we need to unlock the code. As you can imagine, these codes are worth quite a bit of money, and people create robots to just come on and steal all of the codes from Speedy Coupons. So this is just a way to protect the codes and ensure each person can only get one. And you need to tap unlock code, and let's start the process of getting our free Visa gift card code. And oh my god, guys, there you go. That has given me my free Visa card, and I can then grab this code and, like I said, enter it in any Visa accepted checkout, and it's gonna basically act as if I've got a $250 prepaid Visa virtual credit card. And that is it. So these codes obviously can only be used once, and they're unique and personal to you. So go to speedycoupons.com and get your Visa card code, but just make sure when you get your code, keep it safe, because it does go invalid once it's been used. So I'm going to be using my one in a minute, so it will be invalid if you try and grab that one. So yeah, go to Speedy Coupons and follow the instructions. If you need any help, leave a comment below. Please hit that like button if you got your free Visa Money, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.